A good car has a good floor mat. If not, your car won't be good for very long, at least not on the inside. So if you're not a fan of a messy looking interior with factory floor mats that are sliding all over the place, collecting dirt, mud, and debris, then now is the time to upgrade, and that's exactly what I did with these floor mats. Now, first off, I want to say thank you to 3D Mats USA for sponsoring this video and sending me this free sample. This is the 3D MAXpider KAGU floor mat, designed to protect your floors from the dirt, mud, snow, and rain that could damage your interior. So these are waterproof, eco-friendly, super lightweight, all-weather custom floor mats and liners that I got for my family SUV. In fact, you can choose from thousands of precisely measured floor mats and cargo liners for your car by going to their website, which I'll have a link in the description below. These are designed to be tough, protective, and stylish. They will shield your car or SUV floor from dirt and spills, and since they're measured precisely to fit your vehicle's contours and edges, you know they won't be slipping around. And here's another fun factor too. This carbon surface layer is crack and warp resistant. It's also non-toxic and environmentally friendly. It comes with a 3-year warranty as well. What's really amazing about this is it's a 3-ply system of thermal plastic. You have the carbon fiber-like texture with an inner foam layer for extra comfort and an anti-skid bottom layer with little fibers that stick out. This was measured for my SUV and naturally provides all-weather protection with raised edge construction and easy to clean material. It even has a heel pad for added protection where you would normally see the most wear and tear from your feet. So embarrassingly, these are the Jeep floor mats that I currently have, and they do have a little bit of a hook right here, which will keep these in place, but in some floor mats, they don't have a hook and they slide all over the place. You can see how grimy and dirty these are. And this section right here, so an indent for the wear and tear from the heel. And look at the stains on it. It's not very attractive whatsoever. And here's the passenger side, equally, well, yeah, about equally as dirty as the driver's side. Boy, these are nasty. So glad to get rid of these here. These do have a stick at the bottom, little stickiness to keep them in place, but when you see these other ones, you're going to be blown away by the design of those. So, see, got the tabs there, which the new floor liners will fit in perfectly with. So we're going to toss this one as well. And I decided to go with a third piece that's going to fit over the entire passenger area in the back. It's even got a nice little hump that fits and molded directly over that spot right there. I do have one floor mat and I'm missing the other one. And what's going to be great about the floor mats I'm going to show you, it's all one piece, so you're not going to lose it. If you do lose it, you lose the whole thing. In this case, I've lost one of two, and now I'm missing. And you can see here, as a result, I've got stains on my floors, and that's the goal of these other floor mats, is to avoid those stains of seeping through and making my car look extra messy. So here's my current floor mats that are about to go in the garbage because they were absolutely filthy. So I'll take these out, these 3D MAXpider floor mats, and the quality is just phenomenal. Now this is going to replace that one, this will replace this one, and this replaces the one and missing one. And you can see how it's designed to go over the hump in the middle. So here's a closer look at this texture here on top. Carbon fiber like, nice and hard, good texture. You can really tell that this has got some good grip. And here's that extra padding for the heel to avoid that wear and tear. And because I have those buttons here, those are going to go on the inside of there to hook in and pop in. And let's see if I can show you the detail below here. You can kind of see these little fibers that are sticking up. These fibers at the bottom are anti-skid, so when it does hit the bottom of the carpet, it's going to stay and hook in really well. So I really appreciate the quality and detail of the bottom here. Again, this is a 3-layered system. So you have that carbon fiber on top. There's an inner foam layer for the added comfort here on the inside. And then of course you have that bottom anti-skid plate. Something that's also obvious when you take a look at these from a different angle is how they're ridged and contoured to hold in any, let's say, debris or water, mud so it doesn't seep out and ruin your floor mats or the carpet like these do. These have no protection whatsoever, but you can pour water in here. Let's say you have some snow on the bottom of your feet. This is going to keep them from spilling out over the car, into the car. So it's got a nice little dip in here for that. I like these little designs too. The graphics for 3D, for the 3D MAXpider floor liners. So everything's ridged and contoured to hold in anything that may spill over. Now with the install, I'll take it here, which, like I said before, this was designed for my vehicle, and it's going to fit in really well. So that hooks into right above those little notches, and now it's in place. And if I may, like a glove, look how great that is. Perfect. And it doesn't get in the way of the brake pedal or the accelerator pedal, which is very important and safe. We don't have a clutch, so no need there. And right here, a good spot to rest your foot. So as I sit in here, the foot has a spot there, and nothing is blocking my feet. And there's that spot for the heel that there's not going to be a problem. So actually, it's a little bit, my feet are wet, but I can feel on the bottom here some kind of grip. There's a little bit of a catch as I'm sliding my foot, especially right here on this pad.
Also, I think it's important to mention when stepping on the mat during a snowy day and you add snow to the floor mat itself, the rising edges of the floor mat are waterproof, so no need to worry there. Therefore, the mats are also snowproof, as evident by this footage.
Now for the passenger side, and again, we do have these little hooks there that will fit in just behind these little holes there, so that's going to be a good spot. Again, these are called 3D MAXpider. You want to see what that looks like? That's what the word looks like. MAXpider KAGU floor mats. So it's going to be nice and snug, which it already is. It's so cool, technology today. You tell them what vehicle you have, and when you get it, it fits like they had measured your car in person, but they didn't. They just know what the car's dimensions are. So look at that. Perfect. And now with those fibers on the bottom, there is no slide whatsoever with this. It's firmly in place. So one here on the passenger side and one matching on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back row now and install that part. This may be a little tricky for me because I have a car seat in here and I'm doing it one-handed, but again, if this is done correctly, it should just slide right in. Even one-handed, even I can do it. Look at that. Oh my God, look great that looks. Wow, that looks great. Oh my God, I got a new car. Fantastic. No movement. And there's that ridge. So when you got wet feet in here, same with over there. There's a ridge here, so nothing's gonna flow over the top underneath the seat. I wish I had these when I got the car new. In fact, I would have just skipped the whole factory part and had these new, because I would have saved the carpet underneath, but now I got stained carpets. But no one will ever know, because now I have these floor liners. So recapping with a few more details about these 3D MAXpider KAGU floor mats, the backing is designed to grip onto the interior carpet of your vehicle without tearing up your carpet. Again, it has 3 layers of construction of MAXpider grip fiber, semi-hard XPE foam, and thermoplastic rubber. To clean these mats, all you need is soap, water, and a cloth. Chemicals are not necessary. The mats are UV resistant and will not fade, nor will the walls collapse with time. And if you want to power wash these mats, go ahead, just use a nozzle that does not use excessive pressure. To say I'm excited about my new floor mats is an understatement. I have more information in the link below this video to these products, so if you're interested, they're very reasonably priced. I highly suggest it. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thanks so much for watching. Adios. One more thing before you go, I've added links to some of the best-selling automotive accessories on Amazon right now, along with links to some of my product reviews. You'll find it in the description below this video.